Hey guys, how is it going? It's Dmitry here. Guys, and in this tutorial we're going to discuss about another JavaScript functionality, and it's called exponentiation operator. Guys, generally speaking, this exponentiation operator allows you to work with this kind of statements like 3 times 4 or 5 times 6 and so on, right? So, and let's jump into the example and straight away you will get it, guys. Okay, first I'm going to define first variable, and I'm going to show you how this exponentiation operator looks like. So this is the actual expression, right? This one, guys, this is the actual exponentiation operator. And the idea is, in this case, is going to be 3 times 4, right? So, and the result should be like 81. So in order to verify, guys, let's log it out. Let's run it. 81, right? So next I would like to show you that you also can, can come up with this kind of expressions like const b equal to, for example, 10 2, and in this case is going to be essentially 1 divided by 10 times 2, right? So let's see what will happen in this case, what result you will get. Here we go, guys. 1 divided by 100, right? So I think that the general idea, guys, of this exponentiation operator. But also, I also like another shortened version of exponentiation of this operator, or how you can use like in a shorter way. For example, you can say const c equal to 2, for example, right? Const c equal to 2, and then you can say something like a equal to 2. Sorry, c equal to 2. But I guess in this case we have to use let because we're going to change it, right? So and let's log it out. Console.log. Here we go, guys. So it's 4, right? So essentially this shortened version, essentially it's equal to 2 multiplied by 2, which is kind of pretty cool, right? And all like that, right? So, and that's how you can do it, right? So for example, if we say 3, then it's going to be 2 times 3, right? Which is 8, right? Okay, let's see if it's the case. Here we go, 8, guys. So yeah, it's just another way, right, how you can do it. So guys, I think in general it's really easy to understand this functionality, but again, guys, I'm pretty sure that many JavaScript developers don't even know that this functionality exists, but I definitely would recommend you to use it in case if you need to make this kind of calculations, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to wrap up because I'm done with this functionality. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and guys, please like this tutorial if you like it, and please, guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and you're following my tutorials. Guys, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.